How do you file a workers' compensation case in the state of New York? Hi, my name is Craig Rosasco, and I'm an attorney here in New York, and I practice in the area of both workers' compensation and disability claims. The simplest way for you to file a workers' compensation claim in New York is by filing a C3 form. A C3 form is an employee's report of injury, and it is available on the New York State Workers' Compensation Board website. That form can be filed either electronically via the website, or you can print that form out and submit it at your local district office. The form consists of 2 pages. Within those 2 pages, there are 7 sections, and they will encompass areas such as your name, who your employer is, the date of your accident, what part of your body was injured, where you sought medical care, were there any witnesses to the accident, who did you report the accident to at work. All those areas will be covered within the C3 form. Next thing you're going to need to do is seek medical care. And when you seek medical care, you're going to want to tell your medical doctor or the provider the specific history as to how the accident occurred, the same way that you wrote it on the C3 form. The last thing you're going to do, and obviously the best thing to do, is notify your employer. And under New York State law, you have 30 days to notify your employer of any accidents that occurred in the workplace. Now, filing a C3 form is almost circular in nature because you're going to file it with the state. The state is then going to notify the insurance carrier, so it's not the fastest way to get your claim filed. The best way is if the employer cooperates, your employer can file a C2 form. And what is a C2 form? That is the employer's report of injury, and it's supposed to be filed within 10 days of the notice of accident. Once the employer files that form, it's going to go directly to the insurance carrier. And with that, you're going to get a claim number within 2 to 3 business days. The carrier will then send you a claim number, and they will contact you. You'll have all that claim information. Make sure that you give that claim information to your medical doctors because you want the bills going to the insurance company and not to your house. Last but not least, you'll probably be required to attend future hearings before the Workers' Compensation Board. And be assured that the insurance company is going to be there and represented by an attorney. So if you feel uncomfortable and you're not ready to go into the hearing without an attorney, I strongly recommend that you call someone like myself, a workers' compensation attorney. Why have I given you this information today? Because I have the answers to your questions and I am familiar with the workers' compensation statute. If you have any additional questions or you need assistance in any workers' compensation matter, feel free to call me at 1-877-NY-DB-LAW, or you can find me on the internet at www.nydisabilitylaw.com. Thanks for watching.